All right, so today we're going to try something new. It's a website called Classkick, and today is just going to be a tutorial. So you are going to start by watching a video right here, and then you're going to click on your teacher's name and click the link attached to it. It will bring you to a screen like this. You just type in your name. I'm going to use my son's name as a practice. And it will open right here. So this is the very beginning, and this is just a tutorial to help you learn how to use Classkick. We will eventually be using it, I think Friday, for some math assignments to solve some math problems and stuff. So this is where we're going to get started. First, we're going to, it's the welcome slide, and then we're going to go to the next slide by clicking this little arrow. This says to write your name in green by clicking on the text box tool icon. It looks like this right here. So up here you will click on this, and then you will click and drag and type your name. So I will type in my name, and then we want to turn it green. So we're going to come up here to where the T is with the line under it, says text color. We're going to click on it and then click on the green. You see that the line has changed to green. All right, so we have finished this slide, so we're going to go to the next one. On this slide, we're going to use the pen to draw your favorite animal. So the pen icon looks like this, and it's up in the same bar where the text tool would be located. It is right here. It is the pen mode. So you're going to click on it, and you're going to draw your favorite animal. It doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, in math, we use math drawings. And then on the computer, it's kind of hard. You might have a touch screen, and you can use the touch screen, or you might have to use the mouse. So there is my favorite animal. So I'm done on this slide. Now I'm going to go to the next one. So on this slide, it says, use the microphone tool above to try saying and recording the following. So the microphone tool looks like this right here. So you'll come back up to the toolbar, and you'll click on that one. It says add audio. Then you're going to hit start recording. I want you to say your name, where you're from, and what you love most about school. So I'm going to click, and I'm going to start recording. My name is Miss Elrod. I am from Athens, Georgia, and what I love most about school is seeing all of my friends' faces. So then it will come up with this little bar, and you can just move it right there, and you're done with this slide. On the next slide, we're going to use that pen again, but this time we want to make it red. So I'm going to click on the pen, and then over here where there's a pen with a line under it, I'm going to click on it again, and I'm going to choose the red. And I want you to look at the map and click somewhere in the world you would like to travel. I'm going to choose down here in Australia because I want to see the koalas because I miss all of my koala scholars. And then the next thing it says, click the hand raise button, looks like a little hand, in the top right corner to be checked and go to the next slide. So when we're doing our other assignments, you can click here, and if you need help, you can click this yellow one that says please help, or you can click the green one that says please check. I'm going to hit please check. All right, so now we're done with that slide. Let's go to the next one. All right, now this one is where we're going to learn to be able to drag some pictures, so move some pictures around, because in our math problems, we're going to want to be able to move some cubes, some manipulatives. So I'm going to put all of these animals in order from my least favorite to my most favorite. Before I do that, I need to remember to change from the pen mode to the arrow mode so I can click and point. So I'm going to start with my most favorite. I'm going to put the lion, and then I think my least favorite might be the frog, and then a pig, and then I'm going to put a giraffe down here, and there. So once you have them in order, you're going to click the arrow and go to the last slide. You can either fill this in, or you can have your parents fill it in that says, what do you think of Classkick? Now remember, you see this, so that means you're gonna have to do a text box. So you're gonna come back up here to the toolbar and click the T for text box, and then click and drag. And I'm gonna put, I think Classkick is awesome. When you have finished, you're going to do the hand raise button again if it's not still open, and you're going to hit please check. And then I will be able to go in and I will be able to look and give you some feedback and maybe even a voice recording. And then you guys will be ready for your assignment, Classkick math assignment on Friday.